What are you guys doing?
We're making a train track, silly.
A train track?
I mean a car track. A car track.
What are you doing, Thomas?
Playing with cars, playing with this car. Playing with cars. I'm playing with that. I'm not gonna play with that car. It's a Chandler, and it's not Chandler's. This is mine and that's yours. This is yours and this is mine, huh? Yep. Wait, you can't have mine, huh? Nope. You don't have to Chan, this is Charlotte's one too. Where? Right here too. Yeah. You need it, huh? Yep. I won't break that track, okay? Okay. Is this good, Mom?
Yeah, it's cool.
Thanks. I did the whole road, huh?
Yeah.
You made a big one? I need another more, huh? You need more of these ones, huh? Need more, huh, Mom?
Yeah.
We need more of these ones, huh? Yeah. That's big. It's gonna be a long one, and it's gonna be a big one, huh? Yep. This is gonna be a cool track, come on.
Yeah.
Should we can call that a dinosaur doggy, huh? Yeah. Yep. And that's and beyond. That's Buzz Lightyear, and that's and beyond. Huh? We don't have to plus it, huh? Yeah. But we do, huh? Yeah. That's flying, huh? This is lion, huh? Yeah. He has eyes, huh? Yeah. And he has eyes too. And he has eyes too, huh? Yeah. And this is Transformers, huh? Yeah. Thank you. What's this movie? So what's this movie? Give it to me. Three Amigos. That's a big turn right there, huh?
Yeah.
What's this one? I don't know. The music. Okay, let's see. The music. Let's Transformers like what? Right.
Primary song sing-along.
Primary song sing-along. Well, I won't take off my diaper, okay?
Okay, thanks.
Here, Chandler. Okay, thanks. We need it, okay? We need it, huh? Yeah. We need more, huh? Yeah. And it's gonna be a big one, huh? Will it be enough? This much more?
Wow, is that all of them?
Yep. That's the big one, huh?
I hope so. I'm not sure.
That's the big one, huh? Yeah. Do you want to sleep in my bed? Do you want me to? Sure. Okay. Batman.
Mm-hmm.
We have a movie. Iron Man and Batman?
And
Wow.
Spider-Man.
And, oh yeah, Spider-Man. We have lots of cool movies, huh? Are Batman and Spider-Man and Iron Man cool movies?
Yep, you can watch them when you're a teenager.
I know. You can watch that movie, huh? I can't watch it yet, huh?
No.
Do you think this will work?
Yeah, I think it's really cool.
Maybe. No, these two can be crash things. We don't need these, huh?
Okay.
These can be. Look what I made, Mom. Look what I made right here. Right here.
Cool.
What did I use these though? We didn't even have. It looks like a 4.
Yeah.
You're gonna break it? No. We're gonna race. Oh. You want to? Yeah. Okay. Wait, Thomas. We're gonna do it fast. Yeah. But wait. We're gonna do it all too much. You messed it up. Huh? I didn't mess it up. Yes, you did. Now I have to put this together again. Thomas, don't go yet. We're gonna do it fast, huh? Yeah. Now we can go. Thomas, come back here. Come back here, Thomas.